Hey guys, it's Saturday night and I'm going back to work on Monday after a year-long maternity leave. Now Thursday I was having a panic attack, freaking out about all the things I hadn't gotten done. I was seeing piles everywhere and I had no idea when I'd be able to do any of that. And then I realized, I just need to do exactly what I keep telling you guys to do.
This video is a collaboration with Michelle over at Zesty Girl.
Yeah, Michelle is awesome. She's a mom of 4, she's a health and wellness coach, she's a business owner, and she does all sorts of videos on hauls and organization and just anything that brings a little bit more zest into your life.
Yeah, and she's super helpful and genuine, so when you're finished watching this video, you should go over there and check out her video.
Okay, back to our story. Yeah.
So here we are, Thursday night. Everything's a bit of a mess.
I was freaking out. You were freaking out a little bit because I was freaking out.
Correct.
After the realization, I just start walking around and writing things down that needs to happen. So it's like, oh yeah, the Tupperware drawer needs to be organized, or the pencils need to go right back to where they belong, and the diapers need to be in the diaper spot. So all those things I just put on a list.
It's just a bunch of things, you know, basically you've got a list of little things that need to be tidied up or organized. This is the house walk. We've talked about this before. We should do this more frequently. We did it now, and it you know, guess what? It worked out.
It pays off.
You haven't actually done anything yet.
But you feel super accomplished and you feel really good about yourself because you have like a lot more clarity and you're like one step closer to getting stuff done. Now hold up. If you're thinking, what the heck is going on in this video? I was clicking a video for 3 fast organizing projects and so far they're just talking. Then don't worry, we'll get to the organizing very soon.
3 fast organizing projects, that's great, but doing the 3 correct organizing projects, that's even better. Fortunately, in this video, we can do both. So let's get back to it. We had our list from the house walk, and at this point in time, we want to start prioritizing it. We have this thing called the comfort zone, which is basically the idea that you take a space in your home and you get it under control and you can feel comfort in knowing that even though everything else is a mess and you feel completely overwhelmed, at least your comfort zone is under control. For me, that's the bedroom. For you, that's more the kitchen.
Yeah, so that's where we're starting. Now, Friday, we had a lot going on, and Saturday as well. It's the weekend before I go back to work, but we did set aside 1 hour Friday to knock out these 3 fast organizing projects. We're gonna organize these 2 drawers, the Tupperware drawer and also the kids' lunch boxes and bottles and all that good stuff that they use every single day because they're a mess. They're weighing me down because it takes so long to find what I'm looking for, and when I open it, it's just like, eh.
Empty stuff. We didn't move these with us, but somehow we've got like a bunch of ice cream containers that have just magically ended up in our drawers. I don't know.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah.
These are all the baby stuff. I want to put that in a container here, like a little box, so they don't all get jumbled together.
Yeah.
So we have that downstairs. How did I go down and get that? I like that.
Doesn't need to be any more complicated than this.
No. Oh, get that.
Love is exceptional. It feels.
Yeah.
Come here. It's now evening and we did not get our 3 fast organizing projects done this afternoon because we found water in our basement.
We do not have a good experience with water in our
No,
basement.
I had another panic attack and I was like, there's water.
And I just like, as soon as you called me, I was like, I knew. But, and I had this feeling like, we just moved. How is this still a problem?
But luckily, it wasn't a burst of pipe. There was no sewage water coming up or anything like that.
No, it was just a result of the kids having a little bit too much fun in the shower. And in the end, it was a pretty quick fix. Anyways, 1 down, 2 to go, and we've got about 30 minutes before the kids go down for the night. So I really want to get these 3 fast organizing projects done.
I do not want them hanging over my head all weekend long, and I definitely don't want to go to work on Monday and just still have all this stuff here at home. So those 2 things, I really want to get them done. 30 minutes? Can we do it?
I think so.
Yeah.
It's out of control, oh baby, I love.
This here is my nightstand, and I don't use it a lot, but when I do, it's in the evening after a long day with the kids and soon after a long day at work and then with the kids, so I really need this to be nice and orderly, and right now, there's just a mess in there and I don't even know what's there. Plus, my little daughter is always taking out my bookmark and reaching for my book because she just is able to reach this. So I want to put it in here, but right now there's no room. So I'm going to take everything out, keep the book in there, and just what I need. So I'm going to do that.
Let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay. I'm slipping away. Oh.
That's it. That was easy. That's all I needed. This will get another home somewhere else.
Maybe in the trash.
No, not some of it. Half of it probably in the trash. I'm starting to feel really pumped again. I know these are just 3 really small organizing projects, but that's the beauty of the house walk list, that when I go back to work, I feel like there's a plan in place. So when I do have 20 minutes or an hour or 5 minutes even, I can go to the list and I can pick a project that fits the time I have and then knock that out. So I'm excited. I'm gonna move on to the next one, but before I do, if you're liking the video, then hit the like button and also subscribe, because we're always making videos about organizing and optimizing our time and just doing stuff that makes us feel better. This is one of those projects we're doing another day. It's on our list. What organizing projects will be on the top of your list? Let us know in the comments. Last up is our daughter's art station, her pens and pencils. That used to be her go-to whenever she was bored. It's like, ooh, go paint a picture or draw something really nice. Now she doesn't do that. I understand why. It's a complete mess in here. But now that we're working a whole lot more, we need her to go and just kind of have fun herself now and again. And she just goes, I'm bored, we'll go draw. No, I can't find anything. So we're gonna help her.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleep. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me.
The last of our 3 fast organizing projects is done. Now we have a few things. This box we can use somewhere else. This is what. So we'll take that to our basement, and then this is just trash. So yay! We're done! We did it! We got all 3 organizing projects done, and it took what, 35 minutes? No?
No, like
45 minutes.
Yeah, but still, it was pretty fast. I mean, and these are things that will actually make a difference in our day-to-day life. So that's
I feel
nice.
so much better. Yeah, it always takes so much less time than you think it will.
Yeah, you make it bigger in your mind before you get started, and then once you actually get it, you get rolling, then it doesn't take very long, and it makes a huge difference. Yeah. So, and on top of that, I think it's super nice when you do something like this, and we appreciate it, but like seeing Emilia also appreciating it, that's like a little cherry on top.
Exactly. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. We really appreciate that.
Yes, if you want some suggestions for other things to watch, then we did a video on 5 organizing apps to give your mommy brain a rest. So check that one out, and then we'll see you next week.
Bye.